cover crop check. Water participant. Pretty windy out today. We're in week 26 with our cover crop since the corn has been harvested, since the cover crop has been planted. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do a water infiltration test. I got Robert Bird with me today. He's with the Dodge County Land Conservation Office, and we're just going to explain a little bit about what it is we're going to do. So we got about 16 inches of water that I just dumped into this little ring. Why don't you come a little closer, Jordan? You can see where that's at. And then from here, this is what we got. So what I did is I pulled up a web soil survey just to get an idea of what some of the soil types are on this farm. So it looks like we're right in between the St. Charles and the Plano, somewhere in this area. And what I did is I took and pounded in the water infiltration ring, and so then we put saran wrap in the bottom so we could dump one water bottle in. And what that will kind of show is like a 1-inch flash rainfall. And so when I pull the saran wrap, we're going to see how fast that infiltrates. So I don't know if you got a timer. Are you all set, Philip? Ready to go? Okay. So what this is showing is about a 1-inch flash rainfall. How fast that can get infiltrated into the water. This is what soil type we're on, how wet we've been, and obviously the cropping practices, what the crop rotation is, and then whether it's been cover cropped, whether there's compacted layers. So a lot of times when I'm waiting, so I like to use a soil cone penetrometer, especially if the water I can see it isn't infiltrating. So I'll just be checking the areas, see if there's a compacted layer. So you can see in this field, the soil cone penetrometer pushes in pretty easily. This is what that ring is. This is what the ring looks like. It's a 6-inch ring, and the people did the math. Really, all we need is a water bottle. So if we dump this in, this is equivalent to a 1-inch rainfall over what time frame. So like a 1-inch rainfall, like kind of a flash rain event. And a lot of times too, what I like to do while I'm waiting for the water to go down is just get an idea of what the soil looks like, if there's any biological activity in the soil. There's an earthworm you can see, and plenty of residue out here, and then you can see the covers. So Philip, how are we coming on our water infiltration?
I guess when you want to call it for a time frame.
Yeah, we got a little bit of ways to go yet. We've probably only been at it 5 minutes, I suppose.
Yeah, 1 minute and 55 seconds. That's where we're at with that.
Okay. So, want to try a 2nd inch, or?
We can do that. Yep.
So if you want to bring the camera down here just to show that most of that water infiltrated in the area where they plan on planting this spring within, say, 2 minutes. 2-3 minutes.
2 minutes it was gone.
Okay.
2 minutes.
All right, so now we're going to try the 2nd inch. Go ahead.
You ready?
Go ahead. Ready?
It started at 2 minutes and 30 seconds on the watch.